Hello class, now I am going to explain about the reaction with metal. The second category of the chemical property of haloarenes is reaction with metals. The first reaction is called words fitting reaction. What about in this case? So according to the words fitting reaction, when aryl halide is treated with sodium metal and also alkyl halide. When aryl halide and alkyl halide treated with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether, then the halogen atom is attracted by halogen to give AR and 2NaX is removed. Suppose I am going to change the AR like aryl group Cl plus 2Na plus CS3. Then what will happen? The attachment of presence of dry ether, then the attachment of CS3 takes place. So this is called toluene. So what's reaction means? When aryl halide and alkyl halide treated with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether to give alkyl benzene or to give toluene. This reaction is known as words fitting reaction. Alkyl halide as well as aryl halide. Suppose I'm going to change. This is the condition like Br plus 2Na plus Br CH2 CS3. Then what will happen? This is attracted by sodium in the presence of dry ether. Then what will happen? CH2 CS3 plus 2NaBr. This is called ethyl benzene. So this is words fitting reaction. Now I am going to explain about the second reaction of this category is fitting reaction. Fitting reaction. What about fitting reaction? In case of fitting reaction, when 2 moles of haloarenes treated with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether, then what will happen? The presence of then 2 benzene rings are fused at para position to give biphenyl and 2NaX removed. When 2 molecules of haloarenes treated with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether to give biphenyl. Suppose change Br plus 2Na plus Br in the presence of dry ether. Then what will happen? Abstracted, then fuse at para position to give 2NaBr. This is called biphenyl. So fitting reaction, when 2 molecules of haloarenes treated with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether to give biphenyl is called fitting reaction. The third one, I'm going to explain about the third reaction. The third reaction is reaction with magnesium. What about reaction with magnesium? When haloarenes like bromobenzene treated with Mg in the presence of dry ether, then what will happen? The addition of Mg takes place to give MgBr, that is called Grignard reagent. The fourth one, reaction with lithium. When haloarenes treated with lithium in the presence of dry ether, then what will happen? Lithium attach over the benzene ring to give LiBr. So this is reaction with Li. The fifth one is reduction. What about reduction? When haloarenes undergoes on reduction with nascent hydrogen in the presence of Ni Al upon NaOH as a reducing agent, then what will happen? The removal of electronegative atom takes place when the chlorine is substituted by hydrogen to give benzene and HCl is obtained. So this is the reduction. Whenever the reduction takes place, that time the haloarenes are going to convert into benzene. Now I'm going to explain the next reaction. The last reaction of this category is called 6 number Ullmann biaryl synthesis or Ullmann reaction. So in this case, when iodobenzene is heated with copper powder in a sealed tube, diphenyl is formed. So in this reaction, when iodobenzene is heated with copper powder in a sealed tube, diphenyl or biphenyl is formed. So in this case, we are taking the iodobenzene plus copper powder. Then what will happen? In the presence of dry ether, then the iodine is abstracted by copper, then we are getting the biphenyl and Cu2I2 is formed. This is called biphenyl. So when iodobenzene is heated with copper powder in a sealed tube, diphenyl or biphenyl is formed. So this is iodobenzene, copper powder, iodobenzene in the presence of dry ether. Then the fusion of benzene ring takes place at the para position to give biphenyl and cuprous iodide is obtained. Thank you.